Hi, my name is Miss Barron, and welcome to CA and Literacy Essentials in 7th grade for 2022-2023 school year. This is my first year here at Dillard Drive Magnet Middle School, though I have many years of teaching experience teaching preschool through middle school in both general education and special education settings. I live in Apex with my family, my husband and my 2 children. My daughter is a junior at Apex High School, and my son is an 8th grader at Apex Middle School. And your children also know about my dog, Oakley. He's a COVID dog who we love very much, and I never expected to have a dog. I'm one of the special programs teachers here at Dillard Drive. I am a case manager for some of your children. I sent out some introductory letters, and I work with a team at the annual and reevaluation IEP meetings, and I also co-teach in ELA, and some of your children are in that class with me as well. In our classes, we are all mindful of the core values here at Dillard Drive: be present, believe, own it, show kindness, and persevere. And we also made class agreements as a way to set the expectations for everybody. And we all agreed to be respectful, be brave, and be kind. And this includes listening when others are talking. Students have been reminded several times in each class that they need to listen when others are talking. So please remind your children of that. You can look out for an invite for Class Dojo. It is a way for me to positively reinforce behaviors, and students will have an opportunity to win prizes. First, I'll talk about curriculum assistance, which I teach on B-Day electives. We meet for 90 minutes and we work on mini lessons, teaching some skills where children have needs, as well as completing assignments with additional support. There is an instructional assistant in the class with me, and she helps to provide additional support for your children in areas where they need it. We also support IEP accommodations and modifications during that class period. Your children are expected to be prepared and come to class on time. Attendance does matter. They can bring assignments with them that they need additional support with, and we're happy to work with them to provide that support. In Literacy Essentials, during Core 4, we will be reviewing and reading the modules that all of the 7th grade ELA classes are reading. We have started our Module 1 on Journeys in Survival by reading A Long Walk to Water by Linda Sue Park. It's a very interesting book. We've done some background knowledge on it. We've learned about students in Sudan, and we're going to be reading about the Lost Boys of Sudan. And so far, the children have really been very interested in it. And it is expected that your children come to class and are prepared every time they come. I try not to give homework in any of the classes, and in both of the classes, we have something called an interactive notebook, which is a way for your children to stay organized. There's a table of contents, and each paper and classwork is put into the notebook in a specific manner. And so far, your children have done great with it, so I'm really proud of them. The grading policy for CA and literacy is 50% for major assignments and assessments, 30% for intermediate assignments, and minor assessments are 20% of your grade. So if you see something like a notebook check, as long as your children are up to date with it and following along, then their notebook check will get 100. So minor assignments will go right in there as 20%. Please check PowerSchool regularly, and both classes have a Google Classroom. Your children have all been invited and accepted that Google Classroom, and you can access that as well. If you have any questions or ever want to reach out to me, feel free to contact me at jbbaron@wcpss.net, or you can call the office and leave a message for me, or send me a talking points message. I'm happy to work with you and talk with you about your children. They are wonderful. It's been a great year so far, and I am looking forward to spending more time with them. So thank you, and let me know if you have any questions. Bye.